Los Angeles is the place where you can lead a city life and yet feel like you are on a holiday. Good news. You can now book your stay at the Elmwood and live in the land of dreams. This beautiful spot offers comfortable shared apartments. The fully furnished rooms in the property act as the ideal student accommodation. Talk about cozy beds, well-equipped kitchens, or an on-site gymnasium. The property has them all. The lounge on the rooftop is where you can chill out with your pals after a hectic day. If you're worried about getting late for your college, do not worry, as the Columbia West College and Emerson College Los Angeles Center are less than a 10-minute drive away from the property. Treat yourself to some delicious dishes at the Flaming Patties or Moon Barbecue, Lab Coffee, and Roasters. For those who are excited about learning about the city's culture, broad Los Angeles is just the right place to be at. All in all, Elmwood can be your perfect home away from home. Without any further ado, get ready for an exciting adventure and head over to amberstudent.com and secure your room right away.